Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to WhatsApp verification code not receiving it on iPhone. WhatsApp verification code not received on iPhone. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more test video. So do not waste any time. First solution you have facing this issue, verification code is not received. So you have first solution, you have verify with a missed call. So then if you still face an issue with not getting a WhatsApp, you can confirm your identity with a missed call. WhatsApp will give a missed call on your mobile number and check call log to verify your identity. Then second solution, you have check network connection. So you may not receive the latest message when you deal with a patchy network connection at home or office. Make sure to have a at least 2 or 3 network bars on your phone to receive text message without any problem. You can temporarily enable airplane mode on your phone and disable it to rest the network connection. Then third solution, you have update the WhatsApps. So you have check your on iPhone. So then you have open the App Store. Then you have check the WhatsApp update is available. So you have must install the update on your iPhone. So then you have check from here. So then update my iPhone is not available. Then fourth solution, you have restart your iPhone. Then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restart. Sometimes a simple restart can fix many issues. Power off and then power on your phone to refresh your network setting. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.